Hey, what's up, my spirit wolves? I'm sorry that I made a part 2 on the genshin Impact video I made yesterday or a week ago. I don't know when. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, definitely yesterday. So I decided to make a Honkai Star Rail video. So like, please forgive me. Please forgive me for not making a part 2, even though I promised to make a part 2. I'm really sorry about that. I really am. So, anyway, so I'm gonna make a Honkai Star Rail video, and I hope you guys enjoy. And for me, I'm just gonna be quiet for this one, so y'all can like hear and everything. It's like, yeah. Anyway, so.
Step aside. I have no interest. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision. The time is now.
I told ya I could fight. Stay right there while I give you a present.
Let's make it
Try
quick.
hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move.
Clemency? Never heard of it. Rules are made to be broken! You're out!
You have the worst luck running in.
Julie, can you try this for me? Right as good as we can.
Don't worry.
I didn't even put it back.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I had to spit out my gum and there was a bag in the trash can. I'm very sorry about that one. So anyway, so let's continue. For me, I'm going to be quiet in this whole video so y'all can hear or something, because for me, I talk too much. So, yeah. Let the games begin.
Step aside. I have no
Oh, hold on.
interest in stoking conflict.
I'm gonna text a friend real quick. Hold on. Real quick. Just real quick.
Don't hesitate.
And so, sorry about that. Let's continue.
The time is now.
Time to twirl! Watch this!
Let's go.
Oh, poor you. Huh? Time to twirl!
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Time to twirl! Do you know who I am? Ever seen a diamond this big? Oh, it's all yours! Oh, poor you. You're annoying! Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move! Time to twirl! I told ya I could fight. Watch this!
Let's make it quick.
Time to twirl! Oh, poor you.
Rules are made to be broken! Clemency? Never heard of it. The time is now. Let's go. What about this? Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict. Let's make it quick.
Oh, poor you. Huh? Time to twirl! Do you know who I am? Ever see a diamond this big? Oh, it's all yours! Time to twirl!
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision. Break!
Time to twirl!
Galaxy? Never heard of it. Let's go.
Oh, poor you.
Rules are made to be broken! Decisive strike! It's too late to repent. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Time to twirl!
Let's make it quick. How about this?
Time to twirl! You must be honored to meet me. Maybe you can keep it down?
Strategy. Keep at it. That enemy certainly isn't friendly. Move carefully.
Do you know who I am? Ever see a diamond this big? Oh, it's all yours! Time to twirl!
Let's go.
What are you looking at? It's gonna hurt.
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
Do you know who I am?
It's too late to repent.
Let's make it quick. What about this? Rules are made to be broken!
You must be honored to meet me. Maybe you can keep it down?
Clemency? Never heard of it. The time is now. The truth of life and death, revealed in this sanctuary, is but a vision.
Let's go. Batter up!
What are you looking at?
Just a scratch.
Time to twirl!
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
I don't think I could make this. I don't think I could make this. I don't know. Oh, it's only 2 characters. I don't think I could defeat him. I don't know if I could. He's like way too high.
Do you know who I am?
Okay, let me just focus. If I focus more, maybe I could like
Yours.
defeat him. Just like, let me try. Let's just try. Let's just try. Let's just try this. We can do this. We can totally do this, Spirit Wolf. We can do this, Spirit Wolf. We can, right? I don't know if we can. I don't know. I'm struggling. But I didn't make it level 6. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't care. I'm gonna die. 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 Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking. If I stop talking, probably I'll focus more. Right. Let's do this. Let's do this. We can totally do this. We can't do this. We can't do this. We can't do this. We're dying. No! I lost! No! Ah. Tip, character like cones levels are low. Cones can increase the character's page. I can't believe I lost over do a boss battle. I was dead, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I can't make it. I'm sorry, I couldn't like. And so I'm gonna end it right here, Spirit Wolves. So like, I'm gonna end it right here, Spirit Wolves. What is it? Make sure to like and subscribe to me, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to see more videos or notifications of me or something. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna end it right here. I will make a part 2 where I'll defeat the boss and stuff. But still, bye Spirit Wolves, and also Merry Christmas.